everyone's in their workout phase right now. You know, afterwards, people get off work, everyone runs.
And we're drinking.
And we're drinking, we're here.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again this week for another old-fashioned Friday. This week I have a special guest. His name is
Andrew Sample with Nova Foodies.
Andrew Sample with also photographer.
Also photographer.
A Sample Photography.
A Sample Photography, yes.
Specializes in food and drink photography, restaurant photography, anything food and beverage related. This guy does. Also started Northern Virginia Foodies Group. How many members you got now, dog?
110,000.
110,000 members, all in the Northern Virginia area, all interested in food and beverage. Massive, powerful platform that this guy has for anybody in the food and beverage space. Today, we are at Guerra Steakhouse, which is located in Arlington, which is near Roslyn and Courthouse, if you're familiar with the Arlington neighborhoods. I only know of Clarendon. That's all I go to. I will say this. Arlington is my favorite place in Virginia. I couldn't live here, but it's my favorite place to come. There's so many different restaurants, lots of live music, lots of like DJs. There's just a lot going on, like 7 days a week. So, Sample, you know how this works. We do 4 judgings, 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the restaurant. Now, you probably already seen this, or probably showed some B-roll of this prior, but when they brought it out, they bring it out in this nice little, what is that thing? It's like
smoke. I don't know how they get the smoke into it. Maybe like by a tube, and then they close the door. I'm not sure.
It's like a mini cabinet for your old fashioned, and then they open it up, and then the smoke comes out. I'm a sucker for that. I think that definitely adds on to the overall appearance. Single cube is clutch. They got the orange peel in there. They don't have the clear ice, but still they have the single cube.
The smell is fantastic.
You like the smell?
Yeah.
Okay. 0 through 3, Samps, what are you thinking?
They don't have the Luxardo cherry though.
Yeah, no Luxardo cherry either.
It looks fantastic. I don't know. You've done a lot more of these than I have. So.
Sure. So if it had a clear ice, I would say this is close to a 3 because the glass size is big. A Luxardo cherry, I don't need one, but it is a bonus because I like them. If I had clear ice, this is probably a 3 with the smoke and everything. No clear ice, I'm going to go 2.8, which is still pretty high with no clear ice, but that's because of the whole cabinet and the smoke and the...
I think it's a larger glass than normal, right?
Yeah.
It's usually... I'm going to go with 2.6 on appearance.
2.6. All right, first sip. Cheers, brother. I'm digging it.
Smooth. You don't really get, you smell that the smoky flavor how it came out like that, but the flavor not really.
Not too much. So I like a little bit of smokiness. If it's too smoky, it literally tastes like a cigar.
Right.
So I guess I do like the balance that it's not too smoky, but you are right. You can't necessarily taste the smokiness, but you smell it as you're sipping it. Mm-hmm. They use a bullet bourbon, and this is $15. That's one thing I'm going to start including is the price and the bourbon that they use. So first sip, I'm digging it. I'm going to go, it's going to be pretty high. I'm going to go 2.8.
Yeah, it's up there. I mean, because, again, like you said, I love that smoky flavor, the smoky smell, but I don't want it overpowering the whiskey and the whole glass. I'm going to give it a 2.8 as well. 2.8. Maybe a 2.9. I think I let it sit there for a little bit too long, so the ice melted a little bit into it.
How about we go 2.85 for you, since you're stuck in between.
Good. Yeah.
So while we sip on this, we can talk about the ambiance of the restaurant. You said this is a brand new spot. You found it on TikTok, right?
I saw it on TikTok.
Yeah.
I can't think of her name right now. I should have given her a shout out, but it's a woman that does DMV restaurant, kind of what I do in the foodies, but on TikTok, their first Instagram story was this drink.
Yeah.
So I had to share it with Jay the other day, and now we're here.
That's it. And I'm thankful for that. So as far as the ambiance of the restaurant is concerned, they have a nice, beautiful little outdoor patio here. The place next to it, actually, we thought was this place. They got like a full-on garden next to it. So even though you're not there, it's right next to it. It still looks pretty nice. The inside looks pretty elegant. Not a massive place by any means, but still very nice. As far as the ambiance is concerned, I'm just going to go full 1. I mean, it's a nice place. You?
I mean, if you've ever been to Roswell or Courthouse in this area, it's definitely nice. Beautiful day. Everyone's in their workout phase right now. You know, afterwards, people get off work, everyone runs.
And we're drinking.
And we're drinking, we're here. You know, in Leesburg, right after work, we just go to drink.
Yeah.
Here, everyone starts running and actually has to stay in shape.
They're on their fitness out here. Maybe they start drinking at 7 or 8. I don't know.
Yeah. Right when the sun goes down.
Yeah.
But it's definitely beautiful. It's a full one out here as well.
Full one. All right, and as we get into the overall, you slammed yours. Okay.
Yeah.
Noted. I'm going to drink a little bit more, and we can give the overall rating, but talk about anything that you got going on, or maybe some future projects or things that you've been doing that are exciting with the photography.
I mean, with photography-wise, obviously, you know, the restaurant photography is slamming. I'm starting to work in DC a little bit more, get out of the suburbs a little bit.
There you go.
And have a lot of clients in DC and this area. Northern Virginia Foodies, we just had 110,000 members.
Massive.
And
that thing doesn't slow down.
The other day, just randomly, we had 600 persons and people in 6 hours.
It's unbelievable. Yeah.
I mean, I tell my clients, when I go to restaurants, I'll tell my clients, but thank you for spreading the word, because all we're doing is helping out restaurants, obviously during COVID.
So as far as overall taste is concerned, the ice melting is a little bit of a concern. Again, it's 91 degrees, so that's going to happen. If they had the clear ice, I'd be in a little bit better. I think I went 2.8 on first sip, so I'm going to go 2.7 on overall taste. What are you thinking?
I'm up at a 2.8.
2.8.
It's definitely. I've had a lot of these.
It's good.
I've had a lot of these in my past, but being on your show once, we had another one in Leesburg. When you pull up the glass and you have that initial fragrance of that smoke, but the taste is not smoky at all. But they don't use a smoky whiskey, which I like though. I don't like that the overpowering oak taste.
Right.
Well, here we are, Guerra Steakhouse, Arlington, Virginia. A sample with A sample photography, Northern Virginia Foodies Group. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.